So today's project at hand is placing out rotted wood plates. It's funny because I got a new roof put on my house, so you can tell they changed out these trusses right here, and changed out this one by up here because that's new. Because, you know, look at this old stuff right here. You know, actually, that's right here. You can tell that this is new, and they just left that and they redid the roof. So I'm gonna keep demoing it and take out a section at a time while I support the roof and cut out the rot and replace it. All right, let's get to it. Little update, all the rotten wood that's coming out so far. Got it. That's just mold right there, mold. It's not rot. And then so coming right here, pull out this one by right here, and go over there. But just gonna do a small section. Probably from there to about right here tomorrow. Gonna cut that all out and put it in there, and then move my support I have to right here so I can change this out.